When it comes to home improvement projects that truly pay off, replacing old windows often tops the list. In Tuscaloosa, where the summers are hot and humid and winters can bring chilly nights, your home's windows play a vital role in maintaining indoor comfort and reducing energy costs. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can lead to noticeable savings while enhancing your home's appearance and value. Combat Tuscaloosa's climate with energy-efficient design. Tuscaloosa homeowners know the challenge of balancing comfort and utility bills during Alabama's fluctuating seasons. Older windows often allow heat to seep in during the summer and escape during the winter, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. New energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced technologies, such as low emissivity, low-E coatings, multiple panes, and insulating gas fills, to minimize heat transfer. These features help maintain consistent indoor temperatures year-round, which means your air conditioner and heater can operate more efficiently and less frequently. Over time, this reduces wear on your HVAC system and cuts down on monthly energy expenses. Reduce energy loss and improve insulation. Traditional single-pane windows are notorious for poor insulation. By contrast, double or triple pane models trap air or inert gas, like argon or krypton, between layers of glass to form an insulating barrier. This layer reduces drafts and minimizes energy loss by up to 30%. In Tuscaloosa's humid climate, this improved insulation also helps prevent condensation buildup and moisture damage, protecting your home's interior from mold, mildew, and warping. The result is a home that feels more comfortable and stable in temperature, without relying heavily on your thermostat. Lower utility bills month after month. Replacing outdated windows may seem like a major expense up front, but the long-term financial benefits make it a smart investment. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, energy-efficient windows can save homeowners between 12% and 33% on annual energy costs depending on the condition of the old windows and local climate. In Tuscaloosa, where air conditioning often accounts for a significant portion of summer energy use, those savings can quickly add up. Many homeowners notice a noticeable drop in their monthly utility bills immediately after installation, allowing the new windows to practically pay for themselves over time. Enhance comfort and eliminate hot spots. Have you ever noticed certain rooms in your Tuscaloosa home feeling hotter or colder than others? Uneven temperatures often occur when windows allow outdoor heat or cold to infiltrate specific areas. Energy-efficient windows solve this by creating a consistent barrier that stabilizes room temperatures throughout the home. By preventing cold drafts in winter and blocking the sun's harsh rays in summer, these windows help you enjoy every corner of your house in comfort, whether you're relaxing in the living room or cooking in the kitchen. Protect interiors and increase home value beyond energy savings. New windows offer added protection and aesthetic appeal. Low-E coatings don't just insulate, they also block harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays that can fade furniture, flooring, and artwork. Over time, this preserves your home's interior finishes and prevents costly replacements. Additionally, window replacement enhances your property's curb appeal and resale value. Prospective buyers in Tuscaloosa often prioritize homes with modern, energy-efficient upgrades. Investing in high-quality windows sends a strong message that your home is well-maintained and cost-efficient to operate. Enjoy rebates and environmental benefits. Many energy-efficient window products meet Energy Star certification, meaning they adhere to rigorous standards for performance and efficiency. Installing these can make you eligible for local rebates, federal tax credits, or energy-saving incentives. Environmentally conscious homeowners in Tuscaloosa will also appreciate that reduced energy use directly translates to a smaller carbon footprint. Simply by upgrading your windows, you contribute to lowering greenhouse gas emissions and promoting a more sustainable community. Conclusion: if you're looking to improve your home's comfort, cut down on energy costs, and increase your property's value, upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest moves you can make. In Tuscaloosa's dynamic climate, modern windows do more than beautify your home. They make it more sustainable, comfortable, and cost-effective for years to come.